Jackass stunt part. Is it part 3?
Trace.
Alright, part 3. Jackass stunt similarities. The Jackass stunt was when they sat at a golf course with a camera. They sat in the bushes, and then they blew an air horn whenever somebody's about to swing their club.
That was dangerous.
Yes, it was. But we're gonna do this non-dangerously, because nobody can throw stuff at this small window. Hopefully.
I love how you just say, hopefully.
No. Hey.
Come through.
Hey, remote.
Hi!
I'll tell you when to fire. Don't give him unexpected.
My mom's down there.
Oh yeah.
Mom! Watch out!
Oh, just be aware. Not now. No, don't fire.
That's not a car. I'm not doing it to cars. Because this is a little less daring. Don't want to crash a car.
Nobody's gonna walk by. It's too late.
Men.
I'm saying really. Stop. I don't want that in the video. It's already a minute and a half. And we haven't gotten anything. You know what? Screw it. Fire.
Go downstairs and look at my mom. Holla when you've seen her. When you're seeing her. Okay?
Okay. What do I do?
Go down to my mom.
Why?
I'm gonna shoot it.
Like right now?
Yeah.
Right now. Why?
Oh, I quit.
It scared me. Alright, that's it.